looks so beautiful. The lightning is amazing. It's the number one for a YouTuber or a vlogger. You want to have the best lightning. Anywho, hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful Sunday and happy the month of December. Yes, we are on a wrap. This is the last month of the year. Definitely, you know it. And so much is expected, right? I don't know if you have, you know, prepped yourself fully for the end of the year or not, but for me, I am prepping myself. I feel like every day I'm prepping myself in something. I need to do something to make sure, to just kind of like beat the deadline. But today is the first day of December, so happy month of December to each and every one of you. Do not fall out of the wagon. Don't think that it's too late. The things that you thought of to accomplish by the end of the year, you still have 31 days to accomplish them. So feel encouraged. Don't feel hopeless. Don't feel like you failed out. No, you still have time. You still have time. You still have time. You still have time. Yes. In the back, I did a little bit of grocery shopping. I actually just bought some croissant, a whole bunch of them, for like a few days, hopefully. A whole bunch of them. This is a favorite delight in a family. I got the kids some fruit loops. I'm not a favorite of cereals. The only cereal I like is the pumpkin spice cereal. That is the only one I like. And no, two. I'm sorry, I lied. I do have two of the favorite cereals that I like, pumpkin spice cereal, but I feel like I have outgrown it. I will still eat it, but not that much anymore. And then the second cereal that I love to eat is the Armored, what is it? Branch? Armored something. I haven't had it for a minute. But those two are my favorite series. Okay, away from food, because I know I'm hungry, so maybe that's why I'm thinking of food. So away from food, I need to dust off the house. It's a little bit dusty everywhere, and I was looking for a remote because today is Falcons. Falcons are playing in less than an hour. Actually, is what time is it? It's 12. Let me see, y'all. It is 12:17. The game is starting at 1. And I'm looking for the remote. I do not know where the children have put the remote. So I'm going to try to see if my phone works and psych to the TV because I don't know where they have put the remote. I rarely watch TVs. And it's their game. It's their thing. So it's somewhere. I just don't know where it is in the house, and I don't want to keep looking at it because I want to dust off a little bit the house, the table, the TV stand, and just kind of like the floor, sweep it a little bit, and then chill and watch Falcons play. I don't remember the other game. I don't remember the other team that they are playing against. Jeez. All I know is that Atlanta Falcons are on the game, y'all. So I wish them the best. They need to score to get to the last. The ball need to come back to Atlanta. It is that time. That ball need to come back to Atlanta. But anywho, let's dance together and get ready for Falcons. And in the meantime, I will see if I can light up this TV with my phone. No rechargeable. Let me see. It's connecting. Oh, unable to connect. You're unable to locate your device. Please check that it is plugged in and the same Wi-Fi network is. Oh my gosh. I have no idea where the remote is, so I guess I have to look for it because it's not connecting. Try it again. Yeah, it is not connecting. As you have seen, it is not connecting. So I guess now I have to hunt for that remote because honestly, I do not want to miss the game because I have friends that they're gonna call me, or maybe tomorrow they're gonna be talking about Falcons, and I do not want to be in a bucket. I do not want to be in a bucket. I want to be knowledgeable. When they're speaking of something, I'll be like, oh yeah, I did see that. So I need to look for that remote. Oh my gosh. Well, I mean, I do not know where they put that remote. And honestly, I want to watch something. I don't want to watch it on the phone. I feel like it is better when you're watching it on TV. I can't even think right now because I'm like, where in the world is that remote? I'm checking everywhere. Checking even the drawers. Or is it in the backpack? Because sometimes they hide that remote so that nobody else touches it. And that's my son behavior. My son will, let me open this window here. Is the room. I feel like it's too dark. Yes. My son will be like, he don't want the sister to have the remote. And he will hide it. I noticed that. So I'm checking in his backpack to see if it's here. And it's not. I don't think it's in my bedroom. Yeah, we just don't have a remote. Oh my gosh. And they're not in the house. I can't think of anywhere else that remote would be. And I'm just gonna dust off. In the meantime, I will wait for the Holy Spirit to lead me because I have asked him to lead me of where the remote could be. Look how dusty it is. Look, it is so dusty. That's how that place is looking. That's the best I can do for that part. I have laundry here that I need to also take away and fold it out. That's all the laundry that I have to deal with later. Not now. because I'm still looking for the remote, y'all. I am still looking for the remote. I've looked for that remote. I do not know. That is so bizarre. Because I don't know. I hope they did not throw it. Either they were fighting for the remote who need to watch whatever, and I did not see it. But I have looked for that remote. I do not know where it is. So maybe I might just get on a phone, uh, which is not the best. I can't think of anywhere to look for that remote. I really can't think of anywhere else. Maybe in the bathroom. Let me look in the bathroom. I was here not too long ago, and I can't remember who had it last. That's the thing. This is so weird. Anywho, I guess I don't need to watch Falcons. Tomorrow I'm gonna be roasted at work. Hopefully not. I cooked dinner. This is black beans, and I did put some cilantro. It is still hot. And also here I cooked some sweet potatoes and a little bit of rice. When I cook, I'm cooking food that lasts just one day and a little bit of leftover. I'm still watching football on the phone because obviously I have not seen the remote yet. And it is still going. I think it finishes at 4 and we're almost at 2. So I'm gonna say peace of Christ and take care.